let me now brief you on the journey of Kyntiew Eastern College. To start with, the Society for Higher Education, which is a non-profit organization established in 1992 with the motive to bring college education within the reach of underprivileged youth and deprived parents of this area. The Society initiated to establish a college at Khlei in August 1992 by the name Kyntiew Eastern College. Kyntiew Eastern College, as a co-educational institution, started with 60 students and 7 lecturers at pre-university course in 1992, and it was upgraded to undergraduate degree course in Arts and Commerce in 1993 and 2011 respectively. And the present enrollment is 383 and associated with 35 assistant professors and 8 non-teaching staff to assist the college activities. And majorities of the students enrolled in this college are coming from financially weak background, and also most of them are the first generation learner. So the college continuously worked so hard to maintain its names in the field of higher education, not only in this district, but in the whole state. It is affiliated to the Northeastern Hill University, Shillong, and recognized under Section 2F and 12B of UGC Act 1956 in 2004. And it was accredited Grade B by NAC in 2016. And this college was brought under financial match of Government of Meghalaya under the scheme known lump sum grant in aid in 2004 with an amount of rupees 35,000 per month. And it was raised to 1 lakh by the present government under the dynamic leadership of our Honorable Minister. That in the year 2012, the government proposed to provincialize the college, but it was delayed due to unknown reason. But with the taking over of the present government in the state, Shri Kermen Syllad, local MLA, and Honorable Minister of Social Welfare, Government of Meghalaya, with his prompt and continuous follow-up, the proposal was made alive. Thank you, sir, on behalf of the college. Please clap. And we know it is not an easy task on the part of the government to take any decision. But under the current dynamic leadership of our Honorable Minister of Education, Shri Lahkmen Rymbui, who is keen enough to uplift the education system in the state, has included Kyntiew Eastern College under People College scheme. And we strongly believe that this proposal, which is our long-cherished dream, will be made into reality today, the 1st September 2021 in your speech. Thank you, sir.
I hope with the benefit that this scheme has brought to you, that you will give more commitment, more dedication in bringing up this institution and be at par with the other institutions in the state and capital and other areas of the country. I hope you have the will, you have the strength, you have the wisdom, and I pray to God that you will have the good health to see you through all the challenges that are going to come forward in your endeavor, because the profession that you have chosen as teachers and lecturers in education of higher institution is a noble profession.
Kami college tak kuat MKM, dari bynta ke konyo kon kontrol nak school sepawan di area Khamtan Magis Kyntiew. Negara ni jap ke borong bokro lai ko chawu principal ngi batu cipor le jagi wahe tu ya kimambar tu ya emlang wasdang le sing le du por bomchwa bat kodang im du koda mdela e ko ble kerpange.
That out of 9, there are 2 colleges which will be first phase will be granted these schemes. That is Nongtalang College and Kyntiew Eastern College. We are very happy. we are very happy to be the first phase to avail these schemes. So all the credit goes to Shri Lahkmen Rymbui, Honorable Minister. Thank you so much, sir. You really give your heart and soul, especially when it comes to education. Kata dang ensoli ki school building ki idau yo ki kos hado lebhau nyau hado so lak. The southerly santly dau yo is Giant Hills. The ganito hard work yung sar kata na purdi ki khinde dali ki bada pan. Garo Hills ledali, Kasi Hills le, Giant Hills ledali. Ganito osang kumen bau ong na out of night mo khindidali artli to ne usarda announce khwat yung ngai pi wa ka Chanche Eastern College man wa ko win ko yo nong kong te isau kumeni but sau sorong isar hado kate yakini ki chingira pyong pi but ngai scheme yo le wade por chi por pi dau yara chu bi I ha jing em kam yong I perlok NGOs ni de dep ju yawan gi ogi kwa gi ya government college no doubt kwa ba I ya kate tang I ngai isar entok da go pressure ye pi hanre da jing line ti da jing start yong pi da jing yo pi ya kani ki area yong I ki give em kam ngai scheme hel ko bigas ni pi da pun yo pi ya ki jing amnot ki yong I
Thank to Honorable Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma. Thank to the MDA government, which we have pledged from the day one that education is our top priority. Today, my dear friend, is a long journey which we try to reach to every corner of the state. Kyntiew Eastern College, we know the history started 29 years back. And I would like to put on record the gratitude of the state government to the founding member, the governing body, the founding principal, the teachers, and all those who have a hand in establishing this college, grooming this college where it has reached today. Many government come and go. Many government promise, but promise left unfulfilled. But I'm very glad that Education Department, we have, under the guidance of our Honorable Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma, with the hard working of my officers, led by Additional Chief Secretary D.P. Bala, Secretary Ambrose H. Marat IAS, Bartilang Rabhat IAS, and also my Additional Director who just retired yesterday, S. Bhattacharjee. For more than 3 years, we try to work to fulfill what we have promised to the people. We have seen that for the true development, we have to reach to every corner of the state. We cannot concentrate only in Shillong. We cannot concentrate only in Jawai. We cannot concentrate only in Turai. We need to reach more, so that the sense of belonging of the people is there. I'm really proud to say that today, the people of East Kyntiew district will truly feel that the government is there, the government will be there, and we will do more. This is just the beginning. Many more will come. We need the cooperation. We need the working together of all the stakeholders. It is very easy for us to sanction 10 crore for East Kyntiew Eastern College to construct its infrastructure. It is a one-time investment. Today, from this month, the government of Meghalaya will spend approximately 2 crore per year for this college. It is not a very easy, and it is continuing, and the expenditure will be. But as the government, which truly believe, until and unless we address the accessibility, until and unless we address the quality education, or student or young generation will lose out. As the education minister representing Giant Hills, the People's College granted scheme will be extended to 3 colleges of the Kyntiew region. My dear friend, I know that this is not the end of the road for Kyntiew Eastern College. This is only the beginning. We know that from the speech of the principal that you want to keep the post-graduation course in this college. I appreciate that. That's why your sponsoring body is a non-profit organization. Your sponsoring body is for the people of the district. I know, with all the saving which you have now, that you could start more. I know that with all your ideas, with all your plan to take the higher education forward, you will be successful. I'm sure. I am very confident that you will be successful. The teaching committee, I know that about 35 or 38 teaching and non-teaching staff of this college, which only 27 teaching staff and 4 teaching staff will be observed through this scheme. What I request you, that work hard. Your labor, your hard working will, at some day, God will recognize your hard working, and then who knows, something more could be done. Now, our youth are in your hand. We will give full salary to you. I hope, and I really wish, and I urge upon you, my dear teachers, governing body, work hard. People talk about many colleges in Shillong. Remember, college in rural area is not far behind in giving a quality education. The Shillong Engineering College, if we get the permission from AICTE, we will start next year. College of Architecture and Planning in Tura, we will start next year. Patharkhma College, we will start next year. Ramjan College will start next year. We will do more. Yes, but not enough. We have to do more. And for the school education, first time in the history of Meghalaya, that at one go, we spent 109 crore for the basic infrastructure, where more than 200 schools will be benefit for schools building. Like here in the district, Rymbui Secondary School, and some government LP school. And last year also, we do, and we will do more. And when we talk about the quality education, we need to train teachers. We need a quality teachers. That's why more than 1,000 teachers, assistant teachers LP school, we have appointed this year. And today, last few days, there is a circulation in the media that education in Meghalaya is poor. It's very bad. Because this year, none of the teachers in the state get the national award. Whom to blame? Now, a selection of national awardee, it can be self-selected. From the 1st of June till 19th of July, if I remember correctly, this year, application has been floated for the people to apply, and the jury will shortlist, and then interview is conducted. And unfortunately, that none from the state of Meghalaya got the national award. If we try to improve a quality education by appointing the teachers, the quality faculty, people will criticize us. But you know, education now, it is a very, very dynamic. Teachers, you have to upgrade yourself. Teachers, you have to reinvent yourself. So you will never fail your duty to give a true education to your student. And many years ago, there are 200, 300 national awardee in a year. This year, only 44. And you know, many states have missed out. Uttarakhand, where is Dun School, Welham School, or all these schools, not a single one. But this is open our eye that spoon feeding has gone. We have to work hard. Because now our system is very open. Self-nomination. I can apply. Any teachers who have teaching more than 15 years, he can apply. And the jury will select and shortlist it and then do the interview. So, this is an eye-opener for us in the teaching committee for the college. And now with this new education policy, where multidisciplinary stream could be offered in the college. No more science college, no more arts college or commerce. A student can take Kasi, chemistry, commerce at the same time. So you ask the governing body, you ask the teachers, you have to equip yourself as and when the government implement, you should be ready. Don't try to be, when it comes, then you start preparing. Prepare now only. Before I hand over this letter to the governing body, the order read, Office of the Director of Higher and Technical Education, Meghalaya Shillong, approval of appointment of teaching and teaching staff in the People's College. Order under the authority comment of letter number education 181/2017-36, date 24/8/2021, the appointment of the following teaching and non-teaching staff have been recruited by Kyntiew Eastern College, Syllad, to the college sanctioned post prior to 31st/12/2019 are hereby approved with the effect of 1st September 2021 in the pay scale of the state pay matrix as indicated in each of the following as admissible under the government rules. He shall be absorbed under the government sanctioned post at the lowest of the scale of pay. She will be brought under NPS from the date of her appointment, and the service book are to be opened from the date of being absorbed in the government sanctioned post. The governing body shall abide the rule of clause. So the post sanction is 1 for principal in the level 18 and 26 posts in the level 15 for lecturer and 1 post library assistant in level 5, UDA in level 8 and 2 in level 1. Thank you.
So far in our life, we all have pain, we all have sorrow, but here comes the time with full of hope to see tomorrow. We lean on you, 'cause you are strong, our dear leaders. For you we sing this song. Oh, we all belong under your care, so we can carry on. Lahkmen Rymbui kinong yalang và dù ngay iaka college yong iu ben ku ben khai Lahkmen Rymbui kinong yalang và dù ngay iaka college yong iu ben ku ben khai.